The moot courtroom in Gewirz 108 is equipped with a special AV system designed to facilitate a mock trial. This system allows participants to share and annotate documents from the center podium to the rest of the room. It also allows you to video record your trial from up to 4 angles simultaneously. To begin, tap the tablet screen located on the top of the rack at the corner of the room to power on the system. From the home screen, you can toggle between your available media sources. Whichever source you choose will be displayed on the large monitor above the rack and on the 2 touchscreens located at the podium and the witness box. There are 3 steps to using the video recording system in the room. First, you need to set how many camera angles will be recorded during your mock trial. All 4 will be selected by default. You can change this at the rack at the corner of the room. You can monitor any changes that you make on the large monitor at the other end of the room. Find the Quad View VHD panel near the bottom. The 4 layout buttons allow you to choose how many camera inputs are displayed at once on your recording. You can route each of your 4 camera inputs to any of the available windows in your recording. Simply press the button of the input you want to use, then the button of the window that you want it to appear on. Next, return to the tablet on the top of the rack. Tap the Recall Default Settings button to bring all 4 cameras to their default position. If you are not satisfied with the default camera positions, you can change them manually. Hold the light bulb to reach the Advanced Settings menu. Then tap the Camera Control button. Select the camera that you would like to change from the list on the left. Then use the directional pad and zoom buttons to frame up a new shot. Do not try to save any of these changes using the preset options on the right. Now you are ready to record. Find the Extron recording panel at the top of the rack. This device records directly to a flash drive. It records at a rate of 37 megabits per minute. For a 2-hour session, please make sure that your flash drive has at least 4 gigabytes of memory. Plug your drive into the USB storage port. When the LED light next to the port stops blinking, the device will be ready to record. Hit the record button when you are ready. It will turn red and you will see a time code on the display in the middle of the panel. Please do not try to close the door to the rack while the flash drive is plugged in. Most drives protrude out from the panel, so that closing the door could potentially bend your drive, causing damage to both the drive and the recording device. When you are finished, hit the stop button, wait at least 10 seconds, then remove the drive. The touchscreens at the lectern and the witness box have a touch annotation feature. To use this feature, tap the Annotate button at the bottom right of the screen. Select the color and thickness. Then use your finger to draw on the screen. The eraser works the same way. You can use Clear to erase all of your annotations at once. Your annotations will not appear on other screens in the room until you press the Send Annotations button. Tap Exit to end the annotation mode.